Hello everyone. My name is Sudip Maiti. I am an interview mastery expert. I am a mission to empower 10,000 engineers to build their career by cracking the tough interview. Today is the episode number 1 where I will talk about mindset. How the mindset is very important in our career journey, career growth, career success, whatever you want to say in terms of the career. It's one of the important factors. Let me give you one example. Think about that. You went for an interview. And before going to the interview, you are very nervous. Because the thing is that you have some interview phobia. You feel that you may fail the interview. What happened if you fail? Other people will think about me. What is my parents will think about me? What is my cousin, my family, other members, what they will think about me if I'm not able to crack the interview? So that thing is going on in your back of the mind, correct? But instead of that, if you go in for an interview with the free mind, you feel that, okay, if I get a job, that's really great. If I'm not able to crack the interview also, it's okay. So I'll try to figure it out, where is the problem. And in my next interview, I'll try to implement those things. Don't you think that it's a good approach? It's really a good approach. Everything depends on your mindset. I will talk about the two different kind of the mindset. One is the growth mindset, another one is the fixed mindset. What is happening with the fixed mindset? They are not able to take anything extra. They think that they know everything. They are ready to give up easily. They are not ready to listen, ready to do any kind of the hard work. But if you think about the growth mindset people, what they will do? They try to figure it out. Even though they have failed, they try to figure it out why they have failed. What is the different reason they have failed? They try to figure it out, the solution for that. They will not easily give up. They will start learning that particular things. If they don't have that particular skills, they will start learning that particular skills so that they can implement in their next phase of the career journey. So hence, my dear friend, what I would say, embrace the failure and keep on learning. You should be a learner throughout your life. And even though you have failed, try to learn from that failure journey. How to implement that things in your career success. If you can do that particular things, do some analysis for that, I would say, guaranteed to you, whatever you want, you will get very easily. I will give you the one example about the resume. Most of the people I have seen, they have shared the profile through Naukri as well as through LinkedIn, sharing the profile here and there. But how many of you are getting a call? कोई call नहीं आता है, क्यों नहीं आता है? Have you done any kind of the research for that? You are keep on sending the things, keep on sending. I'm not telling don't send it, but try to do some analysis. Why nobody is calling to you? Why you have failed? Try to figure it out. Try to learn some things that might be your skills and the company's required skills. It's not matching. It may happen that whatever the keyword you have written in your profile, that is not up to the mark. You have to modify that. You do some research. You should not give up things easily. You feel that, okay, I'm not getting a call, man. I'm really frustrated. It's not like that. You change your mindset. Try to figure it out. Why they're not calling to you? Where is the gap? How to improve that? Keep on learning, keep on learning. So I'll not say more. So mindset is the one of the key factor to grow in your career. You can easily and effortlessly crack your interview if you have with the growth mindset. So try to embrace the growth mindset within yourself. Whatever you want in your career, you can achieve easily and effortlessly. So tomorrow, I'll talk about the success habits. That will be the episode number 2. Till that time, stay tuned with me. Follow me in YouTube so that you can get the more knowledge about the career as well as the interview. Thank you. Have a good day.